Hey everyone, welcome to Two Car Pros. A little bit of an update video, kind of unconventional from our normal stuff, but I wanted to share with you everything that's been going on the last couple of months and why videos kind of haven't been in a shop situation. And our transitional period, we actually left our former shop a few months ago. Our lease ran up. I didn't want to renew because we had this in store. And I'm going to give you a little behind the scenes tour. I'm going to show you around and I want to hear what you guys think. So I know it doesn't look like much, but this is going to be the new Two Car Pros studio in just a few short weeks. Everything's going to be demoed and redone, and this space was actually occupied by Vet TV, if you're familiar with them. They vacated the property, so now we get to move in. Very fun. So the shop is going to be entranced here, and I will do another video doing some A/B shots of what it looked like before. A little bit of a kitchen area there. There's a private bathroom in there. I'm not sure if that's staying or not. A little bit of a storage area there. There was a workbench here, but I managed to get rid of that. A lot of furniture was left behind, so I'm trying to offload some of that. This, right where you're looking, this wall will be where the lift is going to go. So the new Two Car Pro studio, the lift is going to be right there. We have our wall over there that separates us from our neighbors. That's actually made of concrete, so it'll hopefully be a little quieter. That'd be nice. Fun fact, this Reznor heat unit just there is the same Reznor as Trent Reznor from 9 Inch Nails. I believe that's his great-grandfather or grandfather started that heating company. And we have one of their heating units. Pretty cool. I'm hoping to keep that. Hopefully it works. Fingers crossed, I still have to test that. It'd be really nice to have. I know I don't live where it's super cold, but still pretty cool. Up here is like a mezzanine of like storage that, I'll be honest, looks about as old as I am. And it's not, I mean, it's fine for storing things and stuff, but it's not automotive grade. So this is all gonna be taken care of and ripped down. Also really cool, we're actually on the end unit. Cool, right? So we're kind of far and away from everyone. Where you're looking at now, this area we looked at before, that is going to be my office. So that is going to be something pretty cool. That's where I'll be doing a lot of editing and stuff. Where I'm standing here, where these filing cabinets are, that's probably where my Camaro is going to go. And then we already explained what's going over there. Going into this conference room. This was once a big conference room. They had that big conference table right where the skylight shine is coming through, just there. And that wall on your left is going to be blown out. And so the garage will actually come all the way here to this wall. So try to imagine that much space. It's quite large. And then halfway down this wall, about there, that's going to be cut off and demolished and pushed that way. So you can imagine all that space being added on to out here. So I think I might be able to get like 2 cars over in this area. That would be absolutely fantastic. Pretty cool. So that'll be my space. That's the area I'm going to be occupying. However, the building's a little bit bigger than that. There's actually a whole front section. So this is the front section. There's another office in here. This office is going to be cut in half, and half of this space is going to be dedicated to more garage. Neat little break area. 2 bathrooms. That door does not actually go back into my space. That's like a little tech closet. There's some fiber and some phone telecom stuff. And there's our entryway. There's my truck. A little messy right now, but we are all cleaning this up. It is all getting done by yours truly. There's this executive office in the very front. It's very purple. Might look blue on camera. It even has a shower, which is kind of neat. Private bathroom. Front area, again, truck. And then there's this back area here. I'm going to be taking out those metal bookcases. Those will all be leaving us in some form or another. And then there's this combined office space. This wall was put up by a previous tenant. It's not permitted. You can see that it goes all the way up to the T-bar. This wall will be coming down. So this will all be office space. So this is all going to be redone, new carpet, new walls, new paint, new ceiling even. It is going to look like $1 million freaking bucks. And then there's 2 more offices. These would be like, I don't know, maybe managerial offices. We're not going to be occupying this space. This is going to be rented out. But I have access to it for now, so giving you guys a little tour. Pretty cool. So back in the space I'm occupying, I'm thinking that right in the middle, maybe, right here is maybe where we'll have some equipment, maybe an engine crane of some sort, air compressor. Oh, I don't know. Maybe I want the air compressor over there in that corner underneath the resonator. That could be. I have ideas. I'm excited. I'm really looking forward to it. If you have any ideas, please leave them below in the comments. I'd love to hear what you guys think. So this place is roughly twice as big as our last shop once you add it all up. And I'm really excited to see what kind of opportunities that brings me and new builds. It is going to be pretty darn exciting. And our next door neighbor works on Ferraris, so you might be seeing some of those. So that's the update, everyone. Thank you so much for being subscribed and hanging in there and just being the best community on YouTube. Anyone you can really ask for. I read through comments every single day. I try to respond to everybody. But you guys are the best, and I'm very grateful for everything that I have on this platform and everyone that watches and has enabled me to occupy a space like this one. And I'm going to return the favor of you guys being so great by making incredible content. I'm going to be doing, as soon as we get back, I'll let you know a little secret. We're going to be doing an LS swap guide where we show you exactly how to LS swap something. You know how I like to do everything, every nut, every bolt. We're going to show you exactly how to do it. We probably have another LS build coming down the pipeline. I don't know if that one's going to be sponsored or not. That's just a friend of mine wants to build one, and they want to go all out on it. So we'll see how that project goes. I want to do a Dodge engine, like a Mopar engine. I'm unsure which one I want to do. Maybe a 3rd gen Hemi, maybe a 440 big block. I don't know. I also want to do maybe like a K20A motor at some point. I want to do, or maybe even 2JZ, depending on the budget. We'll just see. Don't worry, import guys, you're going to get your chance, I promise. I do have to find a new engine machine shop. So if any of you know anyone in the San Diego, California kind of area, maybe a little bit north of San Diego, please let me know that does engine machine work, because unfortunately our machine shop has passed. Our machinist has passed away, and his machine shop subsequently closed, Joe Gill of Superior Automotive Engineering. I was heartbroken to hear that. So the next engine we do will be dedicating to Joe. But make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. If you know anybody in the San Diego area that does, engine machine work and dyno and head work and valves, and I'm open to anything at this point. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any more update videos. I'll warn you right now, the next update video for this place is probably a few months away, but I might do an intermediate one that kind of shows progress as we go. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time.